All right, guys, I wanted to do a quick YouTube video with a quick tax tip, and this concerns business charitable contributions. Before I go any further, if you are getting lots of value out of my content, what I'd like you to do are four simple things that I want you to do. Number one, like the video. It's easy to do, right? Number two, subscribe to the channel. Number three, share it with your friends. And then lastly, hit the bell so that you get alerted when I release new content. So with that being said, I know a lot of people are very charitable minded. They want to donate, and a lot of times they might donate in the name of their business. So like you might have an LLC that you own 100% of, that you are a side hustle, and you are maybe sponsoring some event, some charitable function, what have you. And I want to, there's some questions on how that gets reported. If it is a charitable contribution, whether you're an S Corp, whether you're a single member LLC and you're taxed as a sole proprietor or just a sole proprietor, you will report your charitable contributions the same way as if you had made them yourself. They will go on your Schedule A as a charitable deduction and a contribution. What's the problem with that? Well, the problem with that is that you may not get that deduction because you have to be able to itemize on your tax return. What that means is your deductions, like your property tax, your mortgage interest, charitable contributions, all of that has to add up to more than the standard deduction, which is a little over $25,000 here in 2022 for a married couple, and about a little over, I think it's almost $13,000 for a single filer. So you have to have quite a bit of itemized expenses to even make it make sense. So what can you do? Well, sharpen your pencil a little bit, because a lot of times when you're donating to charity, there may be some kind of advertising component in there. So maybe you donate to your son's little league, your business donates to your son's little league baseball team. And in exchange, like put like a plaque of your business or something on the dugout or some kind of little advertisement. And if they do that, that would be technically an advertising expense, which the advantage of that is it's a business expense and it's directly deductible on your tax return, whether or not you itemize your like charitable deductions and stuff. So it's a quick little tip. Don't sleep on that. And so again, like if you can do that, take advantage of that. Be a little creative with your charitable contributions. If you're getting some advertising or getting some benefit from it like that, that would be a business expense and thus fully deductible as a business expense. Hopefully you got a lot of value out of this tip. If you have any questions about it, be sure to drop them in the comments and let me know if you have any other questions. I'm happy to answer them when I'm able to respond to the comments. So anyway, have a great night. Take care. Stay out of trouble.